To install Cisco Packet Tracer, I need to visit Cisco website. It's called Cisco Network Academy. Cisco Network Academy. If I go to there, I need to create a username and password to log in there. I have already username and password, so if I go to login, then I can log in with my username and password. Also, we can use Google account to log in, or we can do sign up. If we do sign up, then we need to create a username and password, then we can do login. So I'll do login here with my email address. So I'm logged in. So if I go to browse all the category, then browse learning catalogs. Under learning catalogs, if we go to articles, in the articles, under articles, we'll go more down. Here is the Cisco Packet Tracer 9 beta and Cisco Packet Tracer 8.2.2. I will download this one, then go here is the option. I just click download down. So there are many options for different operating system. I will download for Windows 64-bit. So download has started. So download is finished. I'll go to my download folder. So here is the packet tracer, Cisco Packet Tracer. I'll double click for setup. So I have to provide the admin username and password. This is the admin user for my laptop. The password. Click yes. Setup started. I have to accept terms and condition. Next. I'll keep everything as default, no change. So it will take few minutes to finish everything. In the meantime, we have to wait. So Cisco Packet Tracer is the simulation software for Cisco networking. This is very basic to advanced level networking simulation. So this is not a real device, just simulation of networking device. Router configuration, switch configuration, and basic network simulation. So it will not take so long. Still waiting. So it's complete, finish. Close and go to again to Cisco Packet Tracer. Cisco Packet Tracer. Open. Okay. Finish. So we can take some router, some switch. We can make connectivity to here. Yeah, then we can configure. That's it. Thank you.